So what's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you could make money on YouTube without actually showing your faces on YouTube with the YouTube partner program. And this is going to be an amazing strategy right here, because a lot of people are doing this right now and they are actually making a lot of money on YouTube using this simple strategy. So walk with me as we dive right into the strategy of today. And I'm going to be showing you 3 cool ways right now you could go into creating YouTube content and make a lot of money online. And these 3 ways are practical ways which people are doing on YouTube right now. So the first which you actually want to focus on is understanding what a YouTube faceless video actually is. Now you can actually see the video you're watching right now, which is this video you're watching right now, is an example of a YouTube faceless video where I am not actually showing my face in front of the camera. All I'm doing right now is screen recording my screen while giving you a simple tutorial and adding a voiceover in the background, and that's it right there. This is a simple video that a lot of people are doing on YouTube and they're using that to make money right there. So you can actually go to check in YouTube faceless videos right now on YouTube. You're gonna see a lot of YouTube videos right now, a lot of videos that actually shows you how to actually go on to doing that right now. So a lot of people are making money with this, like I said earlier. And the first strategy which you can actually go on to utilizing to make money with the YouTube partner program, which of course you actually need to go on to meeting their requirements, and their requirement actually entails you getting 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million valid public shots in the last 90 days. So now this is actually the requirement for you joining the YouTube partner program before you can get paid by the amount of views you're actually getting right now. As you can see right now, you just need to go on to meeting this requirement. Now once you've met this requirement, or if you intend on meeting this requirement, you actually need to create a lot of content that are actually going to be attractive to a lot of audience, and you can utilize that to meet the requirement and start making money on YouTube. Now the first strategy which you want to do is to just simply go into creating your content yourself, like I am doing right now. So you can actually go onto YouTube. As you can see this channel right there, they're actually going to generating a lot of cool content, and this is actually a simple faceless YouTube video. You can actually see how the video is looking like from the preview section. I'm not going to open the video because of the copyright policies right now, but if you take a look at the video, you're going to see how cool that actually is. And what this person does is just simply give a simple tutorial like I am doing right now, and explain or add a cool voiceover of the explanation and the background, and maybe add the background music, and go on to uploading the video on YouTube. And the video are actually getting some views right now, and a lot of people and a lot of channels are also doing that right now. So you can just simply go on to doing that yourself right there. And guys, there are a lot of niches you can easily focus on YouTube right now. As you can see, you can focus on the health niche, the education niche, personal and finance, make money online, cooking, automotive, fashion, and you can actually see that there are a lot of niches you could focus on the YouTube faceless channel or the YouTube automation niches. And guys, the cool thing about this is that you could easily utilize applications like Active Presenter and OBS Studio just to record your screen and simply give a simple tutorial right now. You could also go into adding stock footages from platforms like Pixels and Pixabay right now. You could also use iStock, Shutterstock, and all other cool platforms right there to get stock footages. The reason why I'm showing you Pixabay and Pixels right now is because this platform are absolutely free. You can get free images right now, royalty free stock footages and images, and utilize them for free without actually facing any copyright infringement rules. And that's absolutely amazing. All the image on this platform could be used for free right now. So just simply go onto the platform. You can actually sign up to the platform to log in, and you could just simply go on to getting some cool images even without signing up yourself, and utilizing that as stock footages for your video. That's amazing right now. Now the second strategy which you can actually go on to utilizing to generate cool and amazing content on YouTube is just by going on to automating your content and actually leaving that to freelancers to actually create your content. Now if you go onto platforms like Fiverr right now and you search for the faceless videos, you can actually see a lot of gigs offering, or a lot of people offering this particular gig about 3,500 people are offering this gig on this platform, and you can see this person says, I will create your faceless YouTube video right now, or I will be a faceless YouTube video creator, and it charges about $15 per video right now. You can see this person charges $15, this person charges $10, this person charges $50 right now, and this person says, I will create cash cow videos or faceless or top 10 videos for your YouTube. And that's absolutely amazing right now. If you keep on scrolling, you can see a lot of people are actually offering this particular gig right now, and you can see that you can just simply go to giving people the topic you intend on focusing on. They're going to generate the video content for you, and you can also go on to outsourcing the job for thumbnail creation. They're just simply going to generate all the content which you actually need for that particular video on YouTube, and all you just need to do is to upload that on YouTube. That's absolutely easy right now. So you just need to go into outsourcing the job. Maybe you can create a team of workers that will actually help you do that you're going to be paying monthly for such kind of tasks. You can just simply create in your team, you can add someone that is actually going to be generating the videos for you, have someone that's going to also generate the thumbnail, and maybe someone that will be doing the uploading work right now. So that's actually a very cool team that you can use to make money online with the YouTube faceless video right now. And guys, the cool thing about this is that you're not actually going to be putting in any input. You're just going to be outsourcing the work to a lot of individuals, and they're going to be doing the work for you, and you can actually go on to using your time to do anything else, and you're going to be making money utilizing this simple strategy. So why not just simply try that out? Now, the third way which you can generate content on YouTube is just simply utilizing AI tools like Pictory AI right now. This is a very cool AI tool that you can go on to utilizing to convert a text into a video right now. As you can see, you could generate more leads and boost sales by turning any content into highly shareable videos using the power of AI, as it is fast, scalable, and also affordable. That's absolutely amazing right now. You just need to sign up to the platform, type in the script or paste the script which you want to convert to video. The AI tool is going to help you do just that. Another AI that is absolutely amazing is the InVideo right now. As you can see, you could go into utilizing the InVideo studio, and this will also go on to doing exactly the same job that Pictory actually does. But the cool thing about InVideo is that they actually went on to inventing or creating an AI tool that can help you go on to generating content for either YouTube video, slideshow, and talking avatar video, script generator, text to video, or utilize it for any of these purposes right now. And the cool thing about the AI tool is that you could just simply give it a simple description of the kind of video you want. Even without putting a script, it's going to generate a very cool and educative video for you right now. That's absolutely amazing. Just simply give it a description and it's going to do that for you. If you sign up to the platform and log into your account right now, as you can see, maybe I'm just going to log into mine and you're going to see how it looks like. So take a look at this, guys. I can just simply give the AI the topic and detail the instruction, and it could just simply go on generating my video. Once I do click on generate a video, you can see right now this is actually the workflow of which you can select the kind of video you want. Maybe if you do want a YouTube explainer video, you can select the duration of the video. If you want a 10 minutes video, insert a title. You can actually add in other details of other instructions right there, either to add humor to the video or to make it actually funny. You can actually go on to adding background music by selecting how you want the kind of background music to be. If you want it to be like a dark and haunting background music, it's going to do that. If you want the music to be adventure or to be happy, to be sad, it's going to do all that for you. You can select the kind of settings which you want. Maybe you want it to be a male voice, a female voice, or you want to use your voice, you can do that, or you could use any voice. And you can actually go into selecting the kind of voice which you want. If you want an American voice or an American accent, any kind of accent which you want, you can see the options available right here in this section. You can even go as far as adding subtitles if you want, and that's absolutely quite cool. So leverage the AI tool, generate some content, and utilize that to go into making money online on YouTube by publishing such content on YouTube. That's absolutely amazing. And you may be wondering, can you actually make money with content generated by AI tools on YouTube? And the answer for that is absolutely yes. You can see it says yes, you can absolutely monetize videos created with AI powered tools on platforms, on the video platform. However, creators A creator video must provide value to viewers and follow YouTube guidelines around originality, creativity, transparency in AI use, and that's absolutely cool right now. So just simply make sure you're following the YouTube guidelines, and you can actually go on to monetizing the AI generated content, which for your YouTube faceless videos, and make some cool cash online. So these are actually cool ways to do that right there. You just need to go on to focusing on all this simple strategy that I'm gonna give you a simple recap. The first is to generate content yourself just by screen recording your screen using any of the tools such as Active Presenter and OBS Studio. To just simply screen record your screen, give a simple tutorial while doing so, and just simply go on to publishing that online after editing. The second is for you to actually go on to outsourcing the jobs to people on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and a lot of other freelancing platforms. While the third is for you to actually utilize AI tools like Pictory and InVideo to generate AI cool content for your YouTube automation channel, and that's absolutely amazing. So try out these 3 strategies and utilize that to get a lot of traffic and make money with the YouTube partner program. Now if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you may want to check out the link or check out my channel right here. I actually create a lot of videos on ways to make money online. You can actually check out the videos, they are absolutely cool. You could subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.